Hey there friends, on today's video I'm going to show you how I am capturing my screen or recording my screen right here on my Mac. It's actually super simple. It's a great little tool. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm using Quicktime Player right here on my Mac. This is a piece of software that comes with most Mac computers if you have an up-to-date version. But they've actually made this process even easier with a little tool called Screenshot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through that right now. Now, again, because I am actually recording, there's a couple of features that you aren't going to be able to see, but at least you'll get the overall concept. So to find this tool, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to our main menu, and I'm going to click on the Launchpad. Again, you can always find this in your specific applications, but here are most of my applications right here, and then down here there's this little box called Other. It may be organized a little bit differently based off of what you currently have, but if I click in here, you can see that we have Quicktime Player, but today what we're going to focus on is this little screenshot application. Once I click on that, you can see that we have some options that pop up down here at the bottom. Now, what you're seeing right now is the stop screen recording button because I am currently recording. What you normally would see right here is two different options. One would be recording the entire screen. Two would be recording just a portion of the screen. So if you want to use your entire desktop portion, it basically just records everything, your entire computer screen here. You do have to be careful not to share any sensitive information if you're using that. Or you can use the other one that's right here, which is the section of your screen. And basically what clicks up is a little window that you can drag and drop and kind of focus on a specific area or specific window. It's really nice. Now over here on the same bookmark, there's actually an ability to do a screenshot, like capture an image. And those options are pretty cool. You can capture the entire screen, you can capture a selected window, or you can even capture a selected portion of the screen. And once you select on these, you're able to kind of manipulate the window again, so you're locked into exactly what you want to see. We also have some other options right here. You can see that we can save the file to a specific area. In my case, I like to have it saved to the desktop, but it can also go to downloads or mail, clipboard, all of these different areas. You can even select another location if you have a specific folder that you want to save your recordings to. There is also a timer if you want to set that, that way you can get all of your screens up and ready, as well as a couple other different options down here. Now, obviously, once you are ready to record, you can click on this button and it'll start recording, which is what I'm doing for the screen capture. Again, if you're just doing an image screen capture, you can click on this button right here, and this will allow you to do that screen capture. Let me go ahead and click out of this and show you that once I have this up on my bar right here, you can actually use your right click option and you can set it right here to stay in your dock. Obviously that's not showing up because I already have it in my dock, but it's a great little tool to have right here. So you can come down and just click on it. And that way it's right at your fingertips whenever you need it. All right, friends, that's a really quick tutorial on how to do screen captures. Again, it uses your microphone, your internal microphone, or if you have a specific microphone connected to your computer for the audio portion. All right, hope that helps. If it does, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, we're making a ton more tech video tutorials. Those will be out really soon. Subscribe and we'll see you again on the next one.